Hi, my name is Jojo and I do things with tents and tarps in Sweden's nature. And today I have the all-purpose tarp here. Not only one, but two versions of it. It is a heavy-duty tarp. It weighs 400 grams per square meter and it has a wax coating that makes it 100% waterproof. It comes in all these different sizes and I chose to have the 3x3 meter and the 6x6 meter version. Why did I choose the square ones? Because it's easier to set it up, because then I don't have to think which one is the long side and which the other one. That's the main reason for me. Anyway, let's take a look at those. So the fabric already feels quite a bit different, more sturdy, more heavy. The corners are very well reinforced. You have a large area with a double layer, actually it's a triple layer, I think, yes. And then a seam that goes all the way around. You have straps that go all the way, you have really big rings here. So it is really a sturdy thing. And you don't only have these mounting points on each corner, but also on every side. So to set it up, you can of course use one of those nice, very lightweight telescopic poles that CanvasCamp has. It might work for the small version. However, since it is a heavy tarp and once wind comes into play, I think this is not up to that task because it might be a bit too lightweight. That's why I'd rather choose something like this. I got this from a garden store. It's sold as a fence pole. It's 2.50 meters high and really sturdy. And on top here, I made a special thing, which is a screw that goes into the wood with a thread on it. So I can take a corner, put a washer on there and a wing nut. And what I like about this fixed connection from the tarp to the pole is that in case the wind goes under the tarp and lifts up the tarp, the pole does not just fall off because the weight is gone, but this is always connected. So I think that is quite a nice connection, but you can just use any wooden pole you have. These things are called this. In your well-sorted department store, you should be able to get it. As ropes, I have this rope set here. Comes with 4 ropes, 4 carabiners and 4 of these triangular sliders. The ropes are long enough, sturdy enough for all these heavy setups. And yeah, let's set it up somewhere. And this somewhere was a festivity at a friend's farm nearby. For this setup, I put the pegs directly through the loop into the ground on the one side to create some sort of backdrop for the market stand. And since the weather forecast was quite windy, which made me a bit concerned initially, I used as many ropes as possible to tie the tarp down. And the weather did provide a proper testing environment indeed. We had sun, rain and quite heavy wind gusts. But all my initial worries were blown away and it turned out to be a solid setup for this purpose. And since it's an all-purpose tarp, it can be used for anything that you want. For me, one special advantage of cotton tarps over cheaper plastic tarps is that they are not prone to holes from sparks. So you don't need to be worried next to a campfire or an angle grinder. Thank you very much for watching and I hope you get to spend a lot of time out in nature. Bye!